Dawah is compulsory for every Muslim. It is the duty of every Muslim that it should convey the message of Islam to those who are unaware of it. There are various different strategies and methodologies of conveying the message of Islam to the non-Muslims. Some are less effective, while the others are more effective. The most common strategy or methodology used by Muslims to convey the message of Islam to non-Muslims is that whenever they meet a non-Muslim, they speak 100 good things about Islam. Even if the non-Muslim agrees with all the 100 points about Islam you have told him, yet at the back of his mind, he will think, you're the same Muslim who's a terrorist. You're the same Muslim who's a fundamentalist. You are the Muslim who marry more than 4 women. You are the Muslim who subjugate the woman by keeping her behind the veil. These few negative points at the back of his mind will prevent him from accepting the beauty of Islam.